Let me show you two different ways how to install apps on any of the newest Samsung Smart TV. So first, if you go over here on the top, I see you have your apps category. If you using your remote, you simply navigate all the way down. I see you have different categories for the apps. For example, you can go over here. And so you see, yeah, we have different apps that you can choose from. For example, if you want to install something, simply click on it, let it load, and then simply press the install button. I see it simply gets downloaded and will install shortly. And then either you can open up the app, or also you can add it to your home screen as well. So see, if you click add, it will get added, for example, here. Okay. So you can also later at any time also you can edit that list by clicking there. So you can move around, maybe delete it or whatever. So yeah, as you see in this apps list, yeah, we have different categories. For example, also different games that you can choose from. Let's see, we have tons of different games. So simply select whatever you want. And then if you're wondering how to search for apps, so actually it's a bit complicated on this TV. If you want to search for any new apps, instead of using categories, you have to use a universal search over here on your TV. So you simply navigate there on the search. So let's open it up, and then you have to press up to get to this search window here. And then we simply enter the app name that you want to search. I see also as you are typing, it's automatically pulling up results for the search term. So for example, let's search for Netflix, and then finally select this blue search bar. I see it found different results for the Netflix. What you have to do, you simply scroll down till you land on the apps category. So over here, and see we have the Netflix, for example, here, and also any other related app that might be similar to it. So you can, for example, go here and you can also install it. Yeah, this way, the app. So yeah, on the previous versions of this TV, we could also search for the apps directly from the apps category, but this time around they have, in my opinion, completely messed up the search for the apps here. So yeah, quite weird. Okay, like